Hello, I'm Master123, and I'm here today with another cool prediction trick. So let's get started. So I have my prediction right here. I'm going to set it to the side. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to have you create a card. By that I mean, I'm going to go through the cards, and you're going to just point to any one card. So go to this one. So we'll take the top two cards now, and you can choose whether this will be the suit or this will be the suit. And either or, the other one will be the value. So put the prediction right here. So you'll choose this one to be the value and this one to the suit. So we'll do the king of diamonds. If we go to the prediction, it says your card will be the 12th card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And it is the king of diamonds. Alright, this is a really cool and easy trick, but it does require a setup. So let me show you what the setup will look like. Alright, so this setup is called the Si Stebbins Stack. And what you want to do, you want to take all the cards and put them ace through king, and then put them in chased order. So chased order being clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds. And now what you want to do is with the clubs, you're just going to put the ace on top. The hearts, you're going to go ace through 4 on top. With the spades, you're going to go ace through 7 on top. And with the diamonds, you're going to go ace through 10 on top. Just like this. So ace through 10 will be on top. And now what we're going to do, we're just going to go through the cards every way. So how we're going to do it is
ace of clubs, 4 of hearts, 7 of spades, 10 of diamonds, king of clubs, 3 of hearts, 6 of spades, 9 of diamonds, queen of clubs, 2 of hearts, 5 of spades, 8 of diamonds, jack of clubs, ace of hearts, 4 of spades, 7 of diamonds, 10 of clubs, king of hearts, 3 of spades, 6 of diamonds, 9 of clubs, queen of hearts, 2 of spades, 5 of diamonds, 8 of clubs, jack of hearts, ace of spades, 4 of diamonds, 7 of clubs, 10 of hearts, king of spades, 3 of diamonds, 6 of clubs, 9 of hearts, queen of spades, 2 of diamonds, 5 of clubs, 8 of hearts, jack of spades, ace of diamonds, 4 of clubs, 7 of hearts, 10 of spades, king of diamonds, 3 of clubs, 6 of hearts, 9 of spades, queen of diamonds, 2 of clubs, 5 of hearts, 8 of spades, jack of diamonds.
Alright, so now what you want to do, you just want to maintain this deck order. So, which is why I didn't shuffle. I mean, it kind of looks like the deck is shuffled, other than the fact that they're alternating colors, but so then to perform, you'll just say, I have my prediction, so place it to the side, and then go through the cards, and then just have them point to any card, and say they point to this. You're going to take this half and put it to the bottom, and then you're just going to take the top 2 cards. Then you're going to place the deck on top of the prediction, and here's why. So it's easier because if they pick this as the value and this is the suit, it's easy because you just go down and count 12 cards. But if they pick this as the value and this as the suit, you're going to turn everything over, including the prediction. Say this is the prediction, and then count 12 cards. So we're looking for the ace of hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But if they choose the jack of spades, it's just easy because you'll just have it face down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright guys, that was the trick. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and please comment because I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon, and the comments need to be big, and turn on those notifications so you'll be notified when I do my giveaway.